identified customers at platform 10, please stand well clear from the platform edge. Customers at platform 10, please stand well clear from the platform edge. The 1608 Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle is approaching platform 11, calling at Northampton, Darlington, Durham and Newcastle. Platform 11 for the 1608 Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle. Stand well clear from the platform edge. Customers at platform 5, please stand well clear from the platform edge. This is a security announcement. You are reminded to keep your personal belongings with you at all times. Any unattended items will be removed and may be destroyed. If you see something that does not look right,